chocolate chip cookies today. Our first ingredient is 2 1/4 cup of flour. Next we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups or 12 ounces of chocolate chips. And then also we have a large bowl, a small bowl, a beater, and 2 measuring cup things. Okay, once you've gathered all the ingredients, the next step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So first, since we're baking cookies, you go to the bake button and click bake. And then you raise the temperature to 375 degrees, and then you click start. Okay, our next step, our first step for actually baking the cookies is mixing the 2 1/4 cup of flour and the 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So, okay, 2 Okay, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And that is it for this step. Okay, our next step is to add the 2 sticks of butter into a large bowl. Okay, now add 3/4 of a cup of regular sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Now after doing this, we take our beater and we mash this substance up until it is creamy. We add the eggs. So we're gonna lightly crack them on the side of the bowl and put them in one at a time. Okay. And after you do that, now you're gonna beat this mixture again. Okay. Next, we're adding our flour mixture from the small bowl into this creamy mixture in the big bowl. So, and when you do this, you have to add this dry flour mixture slowly at the same time as you're beating it, just so that it doesn't get too dry from the flour and doesn't work out as much. So you're kind of going to Okay, finally, once that is done, our final step to the mixture is adding in the chocolate chips. So you can go ahead and pour in the chocolate chips, and then from here, we're just using a simple spoon to stir the mixture and get the chocolate chips evenly spread out.
Yummy.
After you have evenly mixed in the chocolate chips with the rest of the cookie dough, your next step is to use that same spoon and form rounded balls of dough and put them on the baking sheet that will later be cooked in the oven and made into cookies.
Yes, look at it.
So you kind of just want to get a large spoon size and form it kind of in a ball. And then this will later become a cookie. And so you just evenly space them out throughout the baking sheet. And you can probably do 3 or 4 in a row. Okay, once you have equally spaced out the rounded mixtures of cookie dough, the chocolate chips in them, you're now going to place them in the oven, which has been preheated to 375 degrees. Okay, once you put them in, you go to oven cooking time and you set it. These cookies have to bake for 9 to 11 minutes, so we're going to put it to 9 minutes, and then we'll look to see how they're doing after that. So now we click start. So we're going to put it to
Whoa. Not focusing on the right thing.
Okay, and once you take the cookie dough out of the oven, these are your final cookies.